Some appointments require more than just a booking confirmation. Whether you need client consent, consultation details, or additional booking information, we'll help you collect everything digitally before the appointment even begins. Let's take a look. From your dashboard, head over to Setup, then open Consent Forms. Consent forms allow you to create custom forms for services that may involve consultations, agreements, or potential risks. For example, cosmetic treatments, specialized services, or any appointment where clients need to review and sign information before their visit. Inside here, simply click Create Form to start building your form. You can fully customize the content based on your business needs and collect signatures digitally before the appointment starts. It's all designed to make the client experience smoother from the very beginning, while helping your team collect the right information ahead of time. Now let's move on to client intake. Head over to Custom Fields. This is where you can control the information clients submit during the booking process. For example, name, phone number, email address, date of birth, preferences, consultation details, or any additional information your business needs before an appointment. You can also decide which fields are mandatory. That means clients must complete those fields before submitting their booking. And if needed, you can choose whether a field appears during the online booking experience by enabling Display on Book Now. If you need something more specific, you can even create completely custom fields of your own. From here, you can create text fields, drop-down selections, date fields, and more based on your business needs. You can even add custom options and decide whether the field should be mandatory or optional. Once everything looks good, click Save. And that's it. Your consent forms and client intake setup are now ready to go. Now every booking comes with the exact information your team needs before the client even arrives.